Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what happens when you do the composite of two functions. So we've got f of x is equal to x squared, and then we've got g of x is 4 over square root of x plus 2. So you can enter these here just by writing in x squared. So these are enterable. And here we've got 4 divided by the square root of x plus 2. And then if I want to do the composite of fg of x, that means first do g and then do f. If I click on this, I get the composite function here, f of g of x, which is going to be 4 over square root of x plus 2 all squared. So basically you just replace x here with 4 over square root of x plus squared. This gives you the resulting graph. Now, if I want to do the other way around, i.e. first do f and then do g, which is gf of x, then that's going to give me 4 divided by x squared plus 2. So basically I replace any x in here with x squared. This is the composite of two functions. Now, you can change the original functions. So let's just do that for 1 minute. I'll show you how to do that. So if I just change this one to something like x cubed, that would change it to x cubed. So you see how I did that. And then let's just change this maybe to minus 2. Okay, and then we get our two graphs, original graphs. So then if I click here, I will get the composite of fg of x, which is the red one there, and then here I will get the composite of gf of x. Now, what an interesting one to do is this. If we now do x squared, comma, for x greater or equal to 0, okay, so that's the graph here of x squared for greater than or equal to 0. We'll have to do greater than or equal to 0 because I want to look at the inverse function. So the inverse function of x squared is square root. So that's sqrt brackets x, enter, and then I get the square root. Okay. If I now do the the composite of first g and then f, then here I get this line here. This is the line y is equal to x, which is what they say is square root of x squared for x root x greater than 0. And then what happens when you do the composite of two functions which are the inverse of each other, you will get y is equal to x. And the same if you did it the other way around. Okay, you will get the y is equal to x. So that's quite a useful fact to remember, that if you do the composite of the original function and its inverse, you will always get the line y is equal to x. Okay, I hope you've understood this. Now, the GeoGebra app I will put in the notes of the video, and I thank you very much for watching.